Hi guys, and welcome back to RedStone Productions. I got some really exciting news for you. At the end of April 2019, I'll be flying to Dublin and record a full album with the Strainful Train band from Berlin. They'll be passing by a couple of weeks earlier than that to pick up the gear. I'll be safely packed by me, and the idea is to basically show you the rationale behind all of the packing, what kind of gear we'll be picking up. Be aware there's going to be 5 different musicians, we're going to have 10 different days, and I'll be using 15 different microphones. I will show you how to safely pack your bags, what to include in each of the bags, and basically what to avoid when you're packing for a mobile rig. We will have space restrictions, and I will definitely make sure not to bring on with me the most fragile microphones or tube amplifiers, so to speak. I'll be using my Fireface 802 interface as my main. I'll be using its ADAT inputs plugged into the Audient ASP800, so I get 8 extra mic pre's, and I will also bring 2 extra mic pre's, the 1073s from Neve, 2-channel mic pre's, and the actual overstayer mic preamps. Come and check it out. Hi guys, and welcome back to the control room. Let me show you the outboard gear I will bring with me to Ireland. All of the outboard gear will have to fit into 2 flight cases of 4 Unity racks each. So let's start from the top. I will definitely be taking this guy with me, which is a powered conditioner. You don't know what kind of power situation you'll be running into, so I will definitely make sure to bring this guy with me. Below, there's an Audient ASP800, also a very, very cool piece for a mobile rig, because this guy basically gives me 8 really clean mic pre's, UK style, with even A to D conversion. So I can just run SMUX straight into my main audio interface. Down below, the Overstayer Ampeg 02, this is another but 2-channel mic pre, also with DI built in, and pull style EQ kind of a thing. That's going to be kind of a really useful machine if I want to shape frequencies on the way in. My main interface is going to be the RME Fireface 802, which, you know, I'm a very big fan because it packs tons of features in one Unity rack. So 8 lines in, 4 mic pre's, ADAT, dual ADAT coming in and out, ASCBU in and out, so that's going to be my main guy. Plus, he also has the RME Total Mix software, which will allow me to do all of the headphone mixes for my talents. The other thing I will definitely have to bring with me as well is the PreSonus headphone amplifier, in case they want to hear themselves in headphones. I can run up to 2 different stereo mixes in there. If we move to the left side, there are 2 other pieces I will definitely make sure to bring along with me. And one is to control the dynamics. This is the Smart Research C2. I love this piece. It's an SSL style compressor, but dual mono. So I can basically use it on the way in and control dynamics of 2 different mics, 2 different lines on the way in. And most likely that guy will be powered by this mic pre down here, which is my favorite in the studio, which is the AMS Neve 1073 DPD. That means he also has an ASCBU out, digital out. Probably not going to use that, as we have plenty of ins analog-wise also into the Fireface. So this into this will probably be my, you know, king 2 channels chain. All of this stuff again needs to be unracked from the studio racks and put into our little flight cases. So let's get started. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this very last episode. In the next one you will be traveling with me to Ireland, where I will be recording the brand new album from Strainful Train band from Berlin. So please stay tuned for more and don't forget to subscribe. Till the next time!